Hello, welcome! The purpose is to show how the mathematical assignments and exams will be made. The first space you arrive after login is the student's site. You must first select Teacher's Management from the upper bar and then focus on making exercises and exams. In this video as well, some relations on how to exercise are made into course theories.
You are coming first to the Teacher's Management page, where you select Assessment Settings number 1. Next, the Assessment Manager page will be opened, from which you select Manage Exercises number 2. As a curiosity on the right is how to start making exercises in the course structure. The tasks are related to theories, and this supports students' learning. Next, select Create Math Exercise. Previously created questions are also displayed in this mode. On the right-hand side of the page, it is shown how to prepare mathematical problems within the courses. Here, you select the mathematical problem surrounded in red. But now, let's focus on preparing the math test.
First, write a question in the question field. The question can contain pictures or videos, a separate instructional video for attaching pictures and videos. Mathematics tasks can be both equations and verbal tasks. So far, the program does not have a mathematical drawing tool. In the second step, we continue to the exemplary answer. The intermediate steps of exemplary's answer are written by hand or pasted either numerically in the left field or as latex in the right field. If you use the copy-paste function, sometimes you should use Ctrl plus X, D, V, U, C functions. For example, it is possible to paste the entire model answer and cut it into intermediate steps. By trying, things will start to go smoothly.
In the checking stage, the actual intermediate correct rows and solution rows are set. In the checking stage, the actual intermediate correct rows and solution rows are set. Checkings are made in the same way as in the exemplary answer. It is better to prepare more intermediate stages than less. Some of the students calculate things in their head and no longer mark intermediate steps and just put the final result. In scoring, the system first looks at the final result. If the result is correct, the system gives 100% without marked intermediate steps. But if the final result is wrong, the system analyzes the intermediate steps of the calculation and gives them points. Note that there may be several result lines. At first, all intermediate steps and result rows are created above the plus sign. Finally, the result rows are then drag and drop under the solution rows.
Next, in Settings. Here, you set the level of difficulty and the language and publish the task. You should always publish the task at this stage if it is finished. The final implementation takes place when the trial link or course is published. You can take the exam right after the exam link is published. Later, it will be tedious to publish tasks separately, so do it now. Remember to save. Finally, the task is checked. Sometimes the intermediate steps of the task in the exemplary answer are marked in a different way, which makes it appear that the check does not work. In this case, it is worth checking whether the intermediate steps have been done in the exemplary answer inside the math editor's formula editor. The most typical error is that the intermediate steps and the result of the model answer are not marked inside the formula box. When enough test tasks have been prepared, the test can be prepared and then the assessment specifications.
Thank you for watching the instruction video. You can be in contact by sending mail info at eximiatutor.com.